we later on, I saw myself playing it at the House of Blues. We were headlining a show there, and it was like, wow, this really is true. So got to be on that side of the stage.
Hello, everybody. I am here with David Drages, senior level ServiceNow expert, lead singer of the band Outrageous, and all around good dude. My name is Bo Phillips. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me. It's awesome to be here. Appreciate it.
So we'll get to the band stuff later because it's some pretty cool stuff. But I do want to talk first about your excellent skills in ServiceNow. So you can tell us what you've been doing for the last 7 years?
Yeah. So I'm a programmer, developer at heart. I started when I was 13, programming stuff, done all sorts of fun things and all sorts of different applications and, probably like 10 different languages and whatnot. But for the last 7 years, I've really enjoyed ServiceNow. I kind of got thrown in head first at a role I was at. And then I just really enjoyed it, So I've started just doing sysadmin stuff, but then kind of moved into the developer role pretty quickly, and it went from, just changing around data and forms and business rules and stuff to creating portals from scratch and integrating with other systems and, different web calls and everything in between. It's just been a lot of fun. So I've really enjoyed it.
And I know, obviously, inquisitive minds, at least from the conversations we've had so far, you've got several certifications already, and I know that you're working on some. You were working on one last night, in fact.
Yeah, last night that's the beauty of Australian time classes, is you can do them after work. Right now, I've got the sysadmin and the application developer, and then I also have the ITSM suite, the CSM suite, and PPM, and then all the micro certs and all the partner pre-sales and sales accreditations. And then I got a bunch of vouchers for classes I've already taken, and I'm working on those next. Last night I was taking HR, and then APM and event management and discovery and service provider too. So, I'm hoping to knock those out in the next month or so. I've been kind of on a tear trying to take a test or two a week, and just study real hard. So it's been fun.
And I know you hope that the future holds for you another senior level lead position, ServiceNow, right?
Yeah, or an architect, either one. I always want to be able to get my hands dirty because that programmer at heart thing never goes away. But either way, really the fun thing is solving problems, and it's especially fun if you have a good team and good people and that are fun to work with. So I'm hoping to land in a role that that challenges me in that way, and that's what makes it fun. So I always love that.
All right, and then real quick, tell everybody what song they should listen to by Outrageous.
So we've had some fun. We've had some fun covers and stuff. We just did a Folsom Prison cover with Johnny Cash's actual bassist. But my go-to, I would say, is we wrote this song called Promise. And I was actually in college, and I went to a show by Craig Robinson from The Office, or Mr. Robot, or he's in a lot of shows. And he's Daryl in The Office, and I met him after, and I just asked him, all right, what do I have to do to get on that side of the stage? I love playing and everything. And, his comedy show incorporates, he's really talented piano player. So, it's very musical. And so he said, just make a promise to yourself and just keep that promise. And it's as simple as that, And I thought that was a really cool thing. So I went back that night and I wrote this song, Promise. And, and then we went and it kind of followed that vibe, of just make a promise to yourself. And we recorded it, and we, later on, I saw myself playing it at the House of Blues. We were headlining a show there, and it was like, wow, this really is true. So got to be on that side of the stage.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us, David. Everybody out there, David Drages is a senior level ServiceNow expert. He's a developer at heart, has been since he was 13 years old. He's a solver of problems and puzzles. He's a world-class name dropper and all-around good dude. Thanks so much, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
You made a promise to yourself.